Got some big breaking news coming in right there. Explosive story coming in right now. Mumbai police has now roped in Economic Offences Wing, which is the EOW, along with Mumbai Crime Branch to probe the Republic TV TRP scam. The Economic Offences Wing will be looking into the diversion of funds, proceeds of crime, in terms of advertising revenue which has been earned by faking television rating points or TRPs. Services of expert forensic auditors is going to be used for forensic audits on the financials of Republic TV and 2 other channels as well. This is huge. Divyesh is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Divyesh, this is the latest coming in at the moment. The Economic Offences Wing, the Crime Branch, all of them have been roped in to go ahead and, there is a forensic team that is going to be studying the financial audits of Republic TV because this has the advertisers' money involved. Advertisers' money means government spending, which means money coming in from listed companies as well. And in case the TRPs, as alleged, are being rigged, then this is a big crime.
Oh, exactly, Chaiti. Now that the Mumbai police has intensified their probe, they have roped in Economic Offences Wing. Specifically, DCP Parag Manere from the Economic Offences Wing will be looking into the diversion of funds, the proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenue that has been earned by faking TRPs by Republic TV and the 2 other channels whose owners were arrested. Meanwhile, the CFO will also be grilled jointly by the Economic Offences Wing's DCP, Inspector Sachin Vaze from the Crime Intelligence Unit, and he will be specifically asked regarding the proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenue that has been earned through faking TRPs. So they've not only cheated people, they've not only cheated their audience, but they've also cheated their advertisers from whom they received funds, received advertising revenue by faking these TRPs. And that is why the advertisement revenue now becomes the proceeds of crime. And once the Economic Offences Wing ropes in forensic auditors, a detailed audit will be conducted on how much money had Republic TV earned through advertising revenue, and then action will be initiated by the Economic Offences Wing and the Crime Intelligence Unit. Meanwhile, the CFO...
So let me just walk our viewers through the charges. The charges are diversion of funds, proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenue earned by faking TRPs. A forensic audit is going to be taking place on Republic TV on the TRP scam, on the back of TRP scam. The Economic Offences Wing is now going to be looking into the diversion of funds, proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenues earned by faking TRPs. Not only cheating the viewers, but also cheating the advertisers. This is going to be a big story. All eyes now on Republic TV CFO. He's been summoned to appear. Our cameras are right there. Let's wait and watch when he appears, and we'll keep tracking that story in much detail.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.